Selling your business opportunity on Craigslist. If you're inside Legacy Builder, Daily Pay, if you have an affiliate marketing biz op, right, a biz op offer, this is explaining to you how to sell your biz op on Craigslist. I'm the Craigslist king. I do one-on-one phone calls to help you sell your Craigslist coaching, but here's an example of something I help someone with, right? Understanding the buyer of Craigslist, understanding the buyer that's going to buy BizOp, right? So understanding the buyer that buys BizOp on Craigslist, most people on Craigslist are looking for a job or looking for an opportunity. So the understanding that who is on Craigslist, they're looking for jobs and they're looking for opportunities. So they are buyers on Craigslist. There are business opportunity buyers on Craigslist because it's people looking for jobs or extra income or side hustle. Number two is you want to post in the sales section. The reason why you want to post in the sales section of Craigslist, and I go over this more in depth in my one-on-one coaching call. If you want the one-on-one coaching call, the information is on the screen. The sales section is the psychology of someone in the sales section. The psychology of someone in the sales section, they like sales. They're a business person. They understand investments. They understand marketing. They understand advertisement. They understand business. They like opportunities. Salespeople like money. So if your opportunity is based around money, salespeople like money. So place your business opportunity in sales section because salespeople like myself make money. Number three is one way to do this is very efficient is give them all the information, right? Inside the ad, tell them everything but nothing at the same time, right? Tell them everything about the program, how you can get paid daily, how you can make all this money online. And actually at the inside the ad, tell them the price point. Give them everything but nothing at the same time and give them the price point. Tell them that it's a one time investment. Tell them that this is an opportunity to invest one time to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with your business opportunity. Now, this is very powerful because then the people that contact you know it's a business opportunity. They know it costs money to get started, and then they might be interested. So here are some people on the side right here where they got jumped on my one-on-one Craigslist coaching. I help them sell their business opportunity, generate more leads and more ads using simply Craigslist ads to sell business opportunity. There are business opportunity seekers on Craigslist, but you have to do this correctly. And I'm the Craigslist king. If you want one-on-one coaching when it comes to posting ads on Craigslist to sell business opportunity, all the information is on the screen. Peace. Let's get this money.